Hey there. Have you ever felt like your brain is a sponge that leaks just a little too quickly? You're not alone. Science calls this the forgetting curve. It's a natural process where we forget information over time unless we actively retrieve it. But here's the exciting part. There is a way to fight back and turn your brain into a memory powerhouse. In today's video, I'm going to show you how flashcards combined with spaced repetition algorithms can help you remember more and forget less. And we'll do this step by step using the Retain.ed Flashcard app. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at using this tool. Let's dive in. When you first open the Retain.ed app, this is what you'll see. A clean and simple home screen designed to make learning as easy as possible. Step 1. At the top right corner, there's a plus icon. Go ahead and tap it. Step 2. This brings you to the page where you can create a deck. Now, what's a deck? Think of it as a folder that organizes related flashcards perfect for keeping your subjects or topics neat and tidy. Give your deck a name like vocabulary. Step 3. Once your deck is created, you'll see an opened button next to it. Tap that to open your new deck. Since this is a new deck, it's empty, and we'll need to add some flashcards. You'll see a button that says Create Flashcards. Tap on it and voila! You're now on the page where you can create your very first flashcard. Here's how it works. On one side, you'll have the term, and on the other, the definition. Let's start with an example. Type Define Laconic in the box labeled Term. Then, click the Next button on your keyboard or tap the box labeled Definition. If you already know what laconic means, great. If not, you can quickly look it up. Google is your best friend here. Or maybe just phone a friend who always responds with one-word texts. You know the type. Now, write this definition using very few words. And yes, that's literally the definition, using very few words, to say using very few words. It's the most self-aware definition ever. Once done, click the big blue button that says Create Flashcard. Congratulations! You've just made your first flashcard. Simple, fun, and just a little ironic. Now let's see what happens next. On the home screen, notice the blue Open button on your deck? That means there's a flashcard ready for review. Let's tap it to begin. When you open the deck, you'll see your term, Define Laconic. The definition is hidden, so you'll need to think about it before revealing the answer. Here's the cool part. Since this card is at level 0, the very first stage, the app helps you get familiar by giving you options for each word. So for the first word in the definition, you might see two options. U and U, click either. U for using, then move on to the next word. V for very, followed closely by F for few, and finally, W for words. Piece by piece, you complete the flashcard. And just like that, you've successfully reviewed it. Every time you review a card, the app tracks your progress. The more you get it right, the less often you'll see that card, helping you focus on what you need to remember most. Tomorrow, I'll post another video to show you how to handle flashcards at level 1. Trust me, the difficulty ramps up in a way that keeps your brain sharp. They say train hard, fight easy. That's what spaced repetition does for your memory. You're training your brain to hold onto information for the long haul. Good luck with your studies. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's video. See you then.